Come test drive the 2017 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, Bose sound system, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, heated rear seats, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.